Today's the day that I am going to be buying my marathon. I'm going to go ahead and register. The problem is now I was like down to one. I was like, I know I'm going to do this one. But now I'm down to three. Oh, what in the heck? This one feels so good for your back. How long has it been? 3 minutes. Okay. I really like to challenge myself to stretch for like 10 minutes after a harder workout. At least 5 minutes. But also, I'm so glad that I found a track that's open. Even though I guess that's like the norm, but I've always been so nervous about just going to a random track and running. But I looked it up